Hi bafethu. Tebuo Mokoena has written, Home Affairs arrest employers hiring undocumented workers in Tshwane factory raid. Hi bafethu, these employers are enough. And they need to have a hefty fine or hefty sentence. Lento leyo for them to get scot-free, how? Or they should be banned, never open business in South Africa ever again. Home Affairs and Labour conducted joint nationwide inspection targeting factories employing undocumented foreign nationals. 7 employers and employees were arrested at Tshwane factories for violating South Africa's immigration and employment laws. Deputy Minister Jabulo Nzuza warned business that hiring undocumented workers carries serious financial and criminal consequences. It's whether they campaigning about Jabulo or they doing what, as long as they doing their job, we don't care no more. Just do the job. But we know campaigning because you see people are tired now. They are annoyed. Now, if you get voted this year, I didn't see retain gets 40% or anything above 40. It's either they're rigging votes or people of South Africa are content with poverty and unemployment. And they should stop striking, stop complaining. No, these people don't deserve votes. They are told 20%, 25%. That's it. Employers and undocumented workers have been arrested following joint inspection operation at factories in Tshwane as government authorities intensify their crackdown on illegal employment practices nationwide. According to ENCA, the operations were conducted collaboratively by the Department of Home Affairs and the Department of Labour to enforce compliance with South Africa's immigration and employment legislation. The Tshwane arrest form part of a broader series of nationwide inspection targeting businesses that knowingly take on undocumented foreign workers. Because they know they will pay them less, and these people are competent. They will work long hours, no minimum wage, no pension fund. So the businesses are benefiting. That was the reason the ANC sold us out, Abu Mandela. They were told that's open borders because we can't pay these people. Because the real reason apartheid ended, that the white workers were expensive for the system, so they wanted black workers. Employers warned of financial and criminal penalties. Home Affairs Deputy Minister Jabulo Nzuza stated that central objectives of this enforcement operation is to dismantle the demand that attracts undocumented individuals into the country. He argued that businesses that routinely hire undocumented workers effectively encourage unlawful border crossing by creating economic opportunities for those who enter illegal. There are people who are running a business fetching illegal from the borders and selling them to farms. There are a lot of illegal things that are happening in South Africa, man. Government, you guys are just inadequate, or just turning a blind eye on people who are benefiting from all this. Nzuza issued a direct warning to a non-compliant companies, stressing that depending on illegal migrant labor would prove financial ruiners. Businesses found in violation face substantial monetary penalties as well as criminal prosecution for breaching employment law. 10 years in jail. Deportation and court proceedings underway. Under the enforcement framework now being applied, undocumented individuals apprehended during inspections are processed through formal state channels before being deported. Their employers, meanwhile, are referred to the courts to face criminal liabilities. I might as well deport them to Europe. The joint crackdown marks a deliberate shift in government strategy, moving beyond targeting undocumented workers alone to holding non-compliant employers equally accountable. Authorities indicated that this dual approach is intended to close the loophole that has historically allowed businesses to absorb undocumented labor without consequences. And these people are the ones who are unaliving farmers, because they can't be tracked. The operations come amid sustained national pressure on the government to enforce immigration laws more rigorously, following months of public debate over undocumented foreign nationals and their impact on the local labor market. You I'm afraid to say that it's bad, man. These people need to work, man. Go to work, man. 365 days. What are we paying these millions for? Why are you stealing our money for nothing? Man. Please subscribe, guys. As when I read these things, I just get bored. I fail to understand why we're fighting these wars that are easily won. As long people just stop being corrupt, stop being greedy, be a patriot, and put your people first. Hey, otherwise I'm gone.